What's going on, my beautiful prepping family? Back at it again here at Winn Dixie. Came to stop by and visit this location to see how their price inflations and see if they have any empty shelves, see if they have been affected in any way, or with this everything that's going on, especially shortage on diesel, or the high prices on diesel. All right, inflation is crazy. Just prep. That's all I can recommend. Stay tuned, I'll show y'all what's inside. They have these pineapple fruits for $5 each. They have the fruit section. It's already prepared for you to be ready to go, ready to serve without you having to cut it. They have some empty spots. With a Piggly Wiggly card, you get it at $8.74. If you don't have one, it's $12.68. And it's $3.99 a pound for those patties there. Pork chops, $5.99 a pound. If you have a Winn Dixie, sorry about that, a Winn Dixie card, that's the price you get it at. The chicken here is $2.99 a pound. We do have empty shelves on the baby formula, but it seems like they have a little bit more than the other stores. But I don't know if this is the correct formula that infants would use. Okay, yeah, so it says infant formula, $39.99. So they do have some here, but they do have empty spots as well, And then their baby food as well looks a little light. It's crazy. So they have some empty shelves over here on this side of where the formula is at. They do have some empty spots here, a little bit of an empty shelf in some areas. Let's see what the milk cost is. Where's the eggs? I didn't even see the eggs, to be honest. But let's see how much the milk is. Oh my. $5.69 for the red caps, and $5.29 for the blue caps. Wow. And then these are $4.59. $4.89. My, oh my, $4.89 as well. Man, this is crazy. It's ridiculous on these prices. Inflation is real. The bread section does look scarce as well. I mean, they do have some empty shelves here on the bottom. It is crazy. So 24 eggs cost $6.29. 18 eggs cost $5.09. 12 eggs, $3.05. Actually, you know what? Yeah, $6.10 on that one. That's 18 eggs as well. This is how much the 12 eggs cost. But their pharmacy is pretty nice here. It is well set up. Their pharmacy is real nice. They do have some pasta. Not a whole lot, but they do have some. $4 for $5. $4 for $5 on their Chef Boyardee cans. $2 for $5 on the Bush beans. This bag of rice right here is $5.39 each. And it is a 10-pound bag. So it says. This is the Spanish section that they have here, the international. They do have sweet corn, 2 for $3. Well, there you have it, my beautiful family. This is what this Winn Dixie looks like. We don't have one near our way in our house, so this is what it looks like. Well, there you have it, my beautiful family. The Winn Dixie out here in the middle of nowhere, and just wanted to give you guys a walkthrough, see what the different prices are, if there was empty shelves. You know, I know with the inflation has been real crazy, especially now that we're about to face this crisis on the diesel. It's it's very scary, you know. There's a lot to think about, but like I said, man, they always want to control us. They always want to try to put a foot on our neck, and by who I mean they is the government. You know, they always try to do some way, somehow, to try to just keep the rich rich and the poor poor. You know, and it's crazy because they just want to categorize everybody in different things. But like I was saying, family, I do appreciate the love and support. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, the like button. Those who are already subscribed, please make sure you hit that notification bell. It's free to do so. Also, it helps this channel grow for me to continue to make more and more videos. But please continue to prep. Don't wait till the last moment. I would hate to see any of you guys struggling, you know. Just think about what you're going to do in prepping wise, you know. What motion do you have set to start prepping, to start getting ahead of this curve, you know? Because I am trying to give you the information as fast as possible, so that way you guys can start prepping and be ready. It doesn't affect you guys that much, you know. But I do appreciate it. I appreciate the love, my beautiful family, and I'll see you on the next one. Y'all have a great day. Also, please don't forget to hit me up with comments in the comment section with questions, whatever you guys have. You know, what are you doing to prep? Question I have for you guys: what are you doing to prep for this crisis that's about to happen, for this inflation, for these shortages, these empty shelves? You know, what are you guys doing? Let me know in the comments. I will respond to you guys. As always, thank you for watching.